My name is Ivy Ngiru. I am the outgoing lab coordinator and research assistant in the Insect Plant Interaction Lab run by Dr. Dino Joseph Martins at Mpala Research Center in Laikipia County, Kenya. I came to learn of Mpala Research Center actually as a student when I was doing my master's. I was a classmate member of Kennedy Saitoti, and he was doing a project on the survey of ants on the Vachellia drepanalobium. And he needed some assistance, so he brought the whole class here. And actually, soon afterwards, that was 2018 October, I came in as an intern in the same lab. I did my internship for 3 months, and thereafter I was confirmed as a junior research assistant, and later on I was then taken in as the lab coordinator. And now I'll be leaving to start my PhD. I will be looking at the impacts that pesticide use has on untarget species. The first time I ever found a scientist to study ecology, evolution, and organismal biology was actually Dr. Dino Martins. And that's where I began my interest, or let's say that's when it flourished. And I decided, well, I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to put in some effort and see where it takes me anyway. When you're born and raised in a country, it means you're one with the history of a country. You're one with its culture, one with its ways of life. Meaning even your approach towards questions, the approach you have towards nature is a bit more indigenous, quote unquote. It is very tied to the person that you are. And I think that with the support we could receive, especially for students, not only in the field of insect ecology, but also in other fields of science, I think that Kenya, generally as a country, will benefit more from having individuals whose voice is one with the country. It makes more sense for you to have policies, for you to have strategies which are all fabricated for your country because you understand what is needed in your country. And therefore, my humble appeal would be to the global world and the bodies which are good for fundraising to support us as Kenyan students, us as women, for example, in the field of science, women in the field of insect ecology, towards the achievement of conservation.